Hi children, it is UKG Science. We will read this one first. Look at my doll. It is just like me. I can blink but can see. Look at her hands. It is just like me. I can wave but can see. Oh, she cannot because she is just a doll. Dolls are non living and I am living. So, first we will read these lines. Then we will understand what is the meaning of these lines. Look at my doll. See here, doll. Doll just like me. I can blink. Blink means to close and open both eyes quickly. We can open our eyes and close our eyes quickly, but a doll cannot do. So blink means this one. And look at her hands. It is just like me. I can wave but can see. Wave means to move back and forth repeatedly. Means we can do our hands move. Means we can do our hands. If anybody will say put your hands at the back, then we can do put hands at the back. We can do put our hands up. We can do our hands down. But a doll cannot do herself. So it is the clear. Oh, she cannot because she is just a doll. She is a doll. Dolls are non-living. So dolls are non-living and I am living. Non-living means they cannot do anything itself. Means doll cannot blink herself, cannot do wave herself. So it is non-living things. But I am living thing because I can do anything in myself. Yes, if we want to say I will go, then I can go. Yes, so because I am living things. Living things do the things yourself only, but non-living things can't do. Okay, so it is the difference of living things and non-living things. Living things can do anything yourself, but non-living things cannot do itself. Living things breathe. Living things take breath. It is need. Living things move. Living things move, live or move. So it is living things can do move here and there. It is for living things, but non-living things can't move. Living things need food to eat and water to drink. Living things grow. Grow means so baby, then it will be grow, then nicely it will be grow. Okay, see, and human being also like this. First their baby, then it will be young, then it will be young man, then it will be old man. So like this they will grow up. So living things means grow. Living things means they need food to eat and water to drink. Living things can move. Living things breathe. And non-living things no need to breathe. Non-living things don't move. No need to move. Living things no need to food to eat and water to drink. Living things no need to grow. Okay, they cannot grow, they cannot take food or eat food to eat and water to drink. So it is the difference of living things and non-living things. And living things, here are three examples of living things. See nicely, plants, animals and human beings are living things. Then living things, non-living things do not breathe. They cannot move on their own. They do not grow. They do not need food or water. So it is the clear living things and non-living things differences. Look at this balloon. This balloon can move. Yes or no? No. It can rise. It is living thing? No. It is not living things. It is non-living things. Okay. Look at this tree. This tree cannot move. Is it a living thing? Is it a living thing? No. It is non-living things or living thing? Yes or no? See the answer. The tree is a living thing. It needs water to grow. Why it is living thing? Tree cannot move. Why it is living thing? Because it needs water to grow. And here is the option, living things need food to eat and water to drink. So tree needs water to grow. That's why tree is a living thing. Okay. So here is is it a non-living things? So here will be yes or no? No. Okay. It is the page number 29. Then next page, let's revise. Write L for living and N for non-living things. Write down here, see the picture here and write down here L and N. L for living and N for non-living things. So tree is living thing. So write down here L, living thing. What is these things? This is the non-living things. So we will write here N. Fish is living thing. So we will write here L. Cycle is non-living thing. So we will write here N. Then this object also non-living things. So we will write here N. This is also flower. Yes, flower also living thing because it needs water to grow. That's why it is also living thing. So we will write here L. Living things, things that breathe, need food and grow. Things that breathe, need food and grow. So it is the living thing. And non-living things means things that do not breathe, move on their own or need food. It is the non-living things. So it is the clear living things and non-living things differences. Okay. So please children, you read nicely this chapter. After that we will do the exercise. Okay. Till now, thank you.